Hey guys, so part 2, if you didn't see part 1, I'll put it up there, I'll put it at the end as well. We're in Oxford Street now, centre of town. You're getting in quite close now, using the 16mm, which is obviously its crop sensor, so it's like 24mm equivalent. Bang. Pretty in pink. So this sort of frame, quite often when I'm shooting, is like, I've been talking about this recently in Clubhouse, some of the frames that I'm posting, where people are a little bit perhaps more sensitive, I'm shooting from the inside out. I'm getting to kind of know the scene, and they're getting to know me and familiar with me being around with my camera, and then I can get those kind of shots that are a little bit more intimate. And then there's this way of shooting, which is kind of just almost like hit and run, and it's you know, it's not a perfect frame by any stretch. It's not sharp, it's not kind of, don't tick all the boxes, but for me it's like, if I can nick a few of these occasionally, it's almost like, I don't know, it's like pure street photography for me, then I'm happy. There's a lot of red in this shoot, and we've got the bus now as well. I was a little bit wary. You know that Schindler's List with the girl in the red dress? Like, is it borderline that? I don't want it to be cliche, especially as we're in London, red bus. But hopefully it's kind of playing its part. I like that shot. Move on. So we're on the Oxford Circus, which is on Oxford Street. I think we're going to move into Carnaby Street now. I think I'll steal a few frames down there. Right, so this shot's crooked. For me, when I'm up close like this, like very close here, guys, that it's crooked is kind of a compromise. I'm a little bit of a stickler for like symmetry, and I want my horizons kind of all lined up. But with this kind of frame up close, for me to crop that, I'm gonna lose more of the frame than I'd want to lose. So I'm fine with it. It's absolutely fine when it's up this close, as far as I'm concerned. It's not a portrait. It's a street frame. It's a reaction. So that's my justification for a wonky picture. What are you selling?
Yeah, 5 seconds. We're trying to support the younger generation involved in knife.
Mate, I can't give any more to charity, man. I'll be skinned.
It's not a
every time I talk to one of you guys, it costs me money. you want to see the standing orders I've got coming out of my account?
Oh, I don't know. Well, it's not a sign-up, it's just a one-off contribution.
You're on my YouTube channel now, guys.
Really?
Yeah. Street photography. You'll love it.
My sister wants to do photography.
If you go, the best thing to do, because it take... Oh, fucking hell. These guys were great. I think the first guy I was speaking to subscribed to the channel. If you're watching this, yeah, you need to tell me the charity so I can drop it in the link, okay? Also, okay, so where I'm shooting here, Holborn, is like, I kind of hang... When I'm in town, and if I'm in the vicinity of Holborn, there's always this really nice kind of light, whatever the weather. There's a bounce of light there that's, you just always get some really juicy frames. But obviously got the open shelter for the station, and shooting directly at that as people are coming out of open shelter is always great, yeah? Because it's kind of funneling the light. But there's just something else going on. There's like this little bit of magic. And yeah, so just hanging about like a weirdo, basically. And then, yeah, and then just hunting for characters.
Jesus. What's he doing? See that?
More out than in, as I say.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already, and please like this video. It's a really big support, guys. I know I keep saying it, but thanks for all your support as well, and I'll see you on the next one. I think we got to the end. We don't need a part 3, do we? I think that's it. I'll put part 1 at the end of this video. Cheers, guys.